Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about operation and maintenance. Filling up of the suction and casing completely with water, pressure and suction developed by the impeller is proportional to the density of the fluid and the speed of rotation. Impeller running in air will produce only negligible negative pressure on the head. Hence, it is required that is the casing and impeller is filled with water through a funnel and cock. Trapped air is released through petcock. Initially, the delivery valve is closed and the pump started. The rotation impeller pushes the water in the casing into the delivery pipe and the water in the casing into the delivery pipe, and the resulting vacuum is filled by water rising through the suction pipe. The pass valve is opened while closing the bypass valve, while stopping the pump delivery valve is closed first and the sump and the pump switched off. Maintenance of pumps. Preventive maintenance locates the sources of troubles and keep the equipment in good operating condition. It involves oiling, greasing, or stuffing boxes, observing the temperature of the motor and the pump bearings, checking the valves, strainer, electrical contacts, earth links, etc. Breakdown maintenance involves replacement of worn out components and testing sufficient amount of spares of impellers, bearings, slip ring bushes, straight contacts, packing, greases, oils, jointing materials, valves are to be kept in stock to attend to the emergencies. It is usually usual to have one standby pump in addition to the required number of pumps. Selection of pump horsepower. Basic data regarding the water availability like diameter, depth of the well, depth of the water table, seasonal variations of water table, drawdown duration of pumping, and safe yield are to be collected accurately before selecting a pump. There are many varieties of specifications and choices available in the market, and it is tricky problem facing an engineer to select the best suited for his requirement. Horsepower of pump. Usually, we are selecting a pump with HPs 5 HP, 7.5 HP, 12 HP, 10 HP, like this. HP means horsepower. The horsepower of a pump can be determined by calculating the work done by a pump in raising the water up at H. H is height. The horsepower HP of a pump can be determined by calculating the work done by a pump in raising the water up to H height. Thank you guys.